Welcome to Risk Finance Regulation 360, your space for clear, careful insights into risk, regulation, and modern finance.
Welcome to our journey through the evolution of payments. In this episode, we trace the fascinating transformation from age-old barter systems to modern billions-dollar transactions. Today, you'll learn how simple exchanges gradually evolved into sophisticated payment networks driving global commerce. Our exploration begins with the fundamentals of ancient financial systems, setting the stage for the innovations that revolutionize trade and economy. Stay tuned as we uncover how each historical step paved the way for the digital payments of today. Get ready for an insightful adventure into money's history, right? Imagine a world where money moves instantly across continents. In this segment, we explore the breakthrough of global connectivity that reshaped transactions. From rapid transfers to the expansive reach linking major global cities, payment systems have become the digital rails of modern finance. This evolution has connected people and businesses, transforming how value is exchanged. Our story highlights these key moments where innovation bridged distances and created a truly interconnected economic landscape. Join us as we dive deeper into this digital revolution that permanently changed the financial world together. Regional innovation has always sparked transformative change in payment systems. In this segment, we examine distinct evolution paths that developed unique financial ecosystems in different parts of the world. From parallel developments to the rise of global hubs and the establishment of modern regulatory foundations, these regional shifts redefined trade and financial interaction. The interplay of local ingenuity and global trends has continuously reshaped how money moves and grows in value. Let's discover how these localized innovations laid the groundwork for our current digital landscape across every global market. Travel back to ancient times where the seeds of modern payments were sown. This segment explores early systems developed long before computers, when clay tablets recorded transactions and trust was the primary currency. It's a reminder that even in the dawn of civilization, people needed reliable ways to track value and exchange goods. From artistic inscriptions to early ledgers, these rudimentary records laid the foundational principles that still influence today's financial transactions. Join us now as we uncover the remarkable origins that forever altered the way we exchange wealth. Step into the era where money began to take on a standardized form. In this segment, we delve into the revolutionary shift from commodity-based exchanges to coins and currency that made trade more efficient and fair. Ancient civilizations standardized value with electrum coins, setting a precedent for portable trade and secure transactions. This transformation not only streamlined commerce, but also laid the groundwork for today's dynamic financial systems. Witness how early innovations in coinage reshaped economic practices, paving the way for the sophisticated payments we enjoy now every day. Journey into the historical roots of finance, where trust and reputation formed the backbone of early monetary exchanges. This segment illuminates how informal networks like the Hawala system enabled secure cross-border remittances well before modern banking. By examining the improvisational techniques of the 8th century and the evolution of trade practices, we reveal a rich tapestry of financial resilience. These early strategies laid the foundation for the reliable, innovative methods transforming money transfers today. Observe how these time-tested financial practices continue to influence the modern world of payments powerfully. In this chapter of payment evolution, we see how European history laid the groundwork for modern banking. Medieval bills served as transferable IOUs, offering a safer alternative to carrying cash through risky journeys. Later, the American adoption of paper checks drew inspiration from these early systems, establishing reliable transaction methods. Additionally, the shift toward security and trust marked a pivotal transition from tangible assets to documented promises. This evolution continues to shape our financial landscape. This milestone marks the dawn of electronic money movement. In 1918, the Federal Reserve launched FedWire, initiating a revolutionary shift in banking communication. The innovative system eliminated the need for physical currency transfers, paving the way for faster and more secure transactions. By transforming traditional paper-based exchanges into instant digital settlements, this breakthrough laid a critical foundation for modern financial operations. Witnessing the change in how money moved across banks provides an early glimpse into our current interconnected financial world. It set the stage for a digital finance revolution. This phase focuses on setting standards that bridged diverse financial systems. In the United States, landmark legislation like the 1863 Banking Act unified currency and clarified responsibilities between state and federal rules, encouraging a market-driven model. Across the Atlantic, Europe embarked on post-war harmonization to create a coordinated approach to its fragmented payment networks. These dual efforts, market innovation in the US and state-led reforms in Europe, set the stage for today's globally consistent financial systems, illustrating how standardization has long been a crucial catalyst for progress. This legacy still influences us. Moving into Asia and the Middle East, financial systems developed along dual paths that balanced formal structures with traditional methods. Colonial banking introduced Western financial models, while indigenous Hawala networks thrived on personal trust and speed. Meanwhile, cultural influences, including Sharia principles, fostered unique frameworks that eschewed interest in favor of honor-based systems. This blend of dual systems and cultural evolution has not only influenced regional practices, but also contributed to shaping modern digital payment methods that respect both tradition and innovation. It reflects the fusion of time-tested wisdom. In a global context, financial systems are continuously molded by competing forces. The tension between market-driven innovation and state-led regulation reveals a dynamic interplay that shapes cross-border transactions. Cultural roots in Asia and the Middle East infuse trust-based practices, while modern friction underscores the challenges of regulatory divergence. Together, these factors create a complex tapestry of influences that define our financial environment today. The layer of tradition mixed with modern disruption eventually forms the blueprint for future global financial evolution. This evolving narrative guides our global finance journey clearly. Stepping into the era of credit innovation, this segment explores the plastic revolution that transformed consumer finance. In 1950, the launch of the Diners Club card inaugurated the world's first general-purpose credit option, forever altering spending habits. As the image of the vintage credit card conveys, this breakthrough created a new era of payment flexibility and convenience. It not only expanded purchasing power at diverse merchants, but also set a precedent for future credit systems, laying the groundwork for today's dynamic financial landscape. This revolution still shapes credit today. Now we arrive at a turning point in our journey through the history of payments, marking the transition to a deep dive into conclusions and key takeaways. In this final segment, we reflect on how barter systems evolved into sophisticated financial innovations that continue to shape our monetary world. This section connects historical milestones with modern breakthroughs, setting the stage for thoughtful reflection and future insights. Prepare to conclude a captivating narrative that highlights progress from simple exchanges to global financial impact as we celebrate a transformative evolution indeed. Stepping into a new era, we witness the electronic shift that revolutionized banking. This period transformed traditional systems with innovations such as magnetic stripes, ATMs, and digitized transfers that streamlined daily transactions. Pioneering institutions played vital roles, making security and efficiency paramount. As these breakthrough technologies emerged, they laid the groundwork for seamless, automated financial operations. Our journey here illustrates how electronic advancements not only redefined access to cash, but also reimagined the entire financial framework, propelling us into an increasingly digital future, driving change for global finance today. We now explore the global embrace of card payments, marking distinct regional developments that transformed commerce. From innovative schemes in Europe to pioneering mobile payment experiments in Asia and the adaptive approaches in the Middle East, every region contributed uniquely. This stage in our journey encapsulates cultural, technological, and economic shifts that redefine spending habits. Observing these varied adoptions enriches our understanding of finance evolution and reveals the intricate interplay of tradition and innovation in global markets today, uniting ideas, stirring progress, and inspiring future growth worldwide for prosperity. Turning our focus to regulation, we examine the evolution of consumer protection laws that safeguard financial transactions. Historical mandates, such as the Truth in Lending Act and key European directives, revolutionized fairness and transparency in credit practices. Ancient symbols like the clay tablet remind us that legal frameworks have long been intertwined with commerce. By balancing innovation with safety measures, these laws have evolved to protect consumers while fostering market growth. This balance continues to guide modern financial policies with consistent, principled oversight, driving trust and sustaining progress globally. Embracing the digital frontier, our journey now spotlights the seismic shifts ushered in by the internet boom. As electronic commerce emerged, pioneering online transactions redefined how we exchange value. Historic milestones, including the first secure payment and the launch of influential services, set new benchmarks for trust and convenience. Witnessing this transformative era, we appreciate how digital innovations replaced physical limitations. This phase not only marked technological progress, but also reshaped consumer behavior, laying the groundwork for the mobile features we explore next. Transitioning to the mobile revolution, we uncover how smartphones reimagined payments in the 2010s. Revolutionary services like Google and Apple Pay transformed devices into secure wallets, while NFC technology enabled effortless, contactless transactions. Tokenization further enhanced security by replacing sensitive data with unique codes. This evolution marks a significant leap towards modern, decentralized finance that empowers consumers and businesses alike. As we reflect on these innovations, we recognize an era defined by agility, trust, and relentless pursuit of a more connected financial future, fueling progress and inspiring global change. Modernizing financial systems is not just about embracing digital trends, it's a complete reinvention of core operations. With legacy systems evolving into flexible APIs, companies are moving from outdated, batch-based processes to dynamic, real-time hubs. At the heart of this transformation is the global adoption of ISO 2022 standards, ensuring richer, more consistent data flows. This episode highlights how modern financial institutions are bridging the gap between tradition and innovation, integrating robust legacy infrastructures with agile digital frameworks that drive real-time efficiency and global interoperability, empowering progress every single day. Digital innovations are surging worldwide, driving dynamic shifts in the payments landscape. In India, breakthroughs like the UPI have redefined financial inclusion, while Europe's evolving open banking framework paves the way for a new era of fintech solutions. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, visionary initiatives are accelerating a transition to a cashless society. These strategic moves not only boost transactional speed and security, but also empower consumers and businesses to embrace a streamlined, interconnected digital future. They set the stage for a revolution in everyday financial experiences, becoming the norm. As we look ahead to 2026, the payments industry is reaching unprecedented milestones. With revenues soaring past $3 trillion and digital wallets capturing over 30% of point-of-sale transactions, the financial world is undergoing a profound transformation. Seamless API integration is streamlining core banking systems, paving the way for more agile and responsive commerce. This shift underscores the critical role of technology in redefining convenience, security, and innovation in every transaction we make. It marks a turning point where digital transformation fuels smarter, faster financial ecosystems globally for progress. Regulatory frameworks continue to shape the digital currency environment globally. In the United States, emerging standards for stablecoins are laying the groundwork for mainstream adoption. Across Europe, the unified MiCA regulations are consolidating market practices, while in Asia, ambitious CBDC pilot programs are redefining central bank roles in financial innovation. This evolving regulatory landscape ensures that as digital currencies gain momentum, robust protection and consistency guide the future of monetary exchange. These regulations not only foster trust, but also create a framework that supports sustainable growth in digital finance. Overcoming friction remains critical in today's global payment networks. Outdated legacy silos often lead to inefficiencies and billions in extra costs. Fragmentation across systems complicates seamless transactions and hampers progress. Addressing these challenges paves the way for the next phase of payment innovation, where integration and modernization drive efficiency. By bridging these divides, financial institutions can unlock a future of smoother, more cooperative transactions that benefit everyone involved in the economic ecosystem. Innovation in overcoming friction transforms challenges into opportunities for global financial unity, ensuring progress and sustainable growth. From the iconic 1955 credit card that sparked a revolution to today's dynamic payment strategies, our journey through payment history is both nostalgic and forward-thinking. Reflect on how long-standing innovations have shaped the industry and consider the exciting possibilities ahead. Engage with us. Share your memories of old payment methods like the early Diners Club era, and join the conversation as we explore what comes next in financial evolution. Your participation fuels the revolution in payment knowledge. Together, we honor the past while building a future of innovation with passion.
Thanks for watching. For consulting and advisory engagements, you can reach us at regalwiseconsulting@gmail.com. Please share your thoughts in the comments and suggest the topics you'd like us to cover next.